Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you treatment for colored hair. So first I have my banana. I'm going to mash my banana in my bowl. So all of the ingredients, everything I've used, I'm going to put it in my description box. But all of the ingredients I've used is I used banana, I used olive oil, I used extra virgin olive oil, and I use extra virgin olive oil. I use brewed coffee. What I mean by brewed coffee is I did boiled water, and I actually just put my coffee inside and I cool it down and put it inside a spray bottle, and that's what I'm gonna be using for my hair treatments today. I've used my egg as well, and I've used my mayonnaise. So all of these ingredients, I'm going to be mixing them together. Coffee is really good for the hair, and I'm going to write all of the benefits of everything I've used in my description box below. And banana as well gives the hair strength, and hair gives is rich in protein, so it's really good for the hair. Just because your hair is treated, you need all of these things for your hair. Extra virgin olive oil gives the hair shine and moisturize the hair. You want to make sure your hair is always being moisturized. That's why we're including our extra virgin olive oil into our hair treatment, because your hair is already dry when you put color in it, and it's not as easy to manage like before. So that's why you need something to moisturize your hair, and with the egg as well, with the protein on it as well, it is really good for the hair. And all of the things, the mayonnaise is good as well. And now I did mash my banana, and I've added my egg, and now I'm just putting mayonnaise. I'm just adding a little bit of mayonnaise. Feel free to use more or less depending on your hair. You might have a longer hair, like a lot of hair, you can put more. But if you have just a small hair like me, 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon will do for your hair treatment. And I'm just including my extra virgin olive oil now. I'm just including into my treatment, and I'm just going to mix everything together. Remember, I already have my brewed coffee before, and it's going to be inside my spray bottle. So now I have my hair treatment on my hair, and I'm just going to distribute it all over my hair. Afterwards, I'm going to be inside my steamer. So please, when you finish under the steamer, do not fry your hair. Like, you have to wash your hair with cold water because you have egg on your hair. When you finish, just wash your hair with cold water because you have egg on it. Thank you so much for watching my video today, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Leave your comment in the comment section. Do leave your comments in the comment section.